that Mommy's phone?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where'd you put Mommy's phone? Who's calling? Who do you think's calling?
Nana there.
Say hi, Nana.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh? Did they hang up? Can you say hi, Nana? I think she's still there. Say hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's the phone? Where is it? No, don't do that, please. Can you clean up?
No.
Why not? You okay? Can you say Happy Valentine's Day? Good job. Who are you going to call? Are you my Valentine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love me? Hey, Jacob. You're my Valentine.
No.
Yes. Can you give me a kiss?
No.
Throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. Jacob. I'll throw you a kiss, okay? Mwah. Mwah. Catch it. Put it on your face. Put it on your face.
Daddy.